I'm Aidan from Bessages and welcome to our video series on PressFit. We're going to cover absolutely everything from what PressFit is, to how much it costs, to the equipment you need to use. We're going to throw some useful tips and tricks along the way. Hope you enjoy. PressFit has grown massively over the years. Our customers prefer it because it's faster, easier, and there's way less mess to clean up afterwards. The most common materials are stainless steel, carbon steel and copper. If you're new to PressFit, it can be a little daunting to know what to buy. Over the years at Bessages, our team has helped our customers along that journey, and we want to help you along that journey too. It's estimated that over £650 million is spent on pipe and fittings every year in the UK. PressFit is becoming increasingly popular in domestic and industrial applications, and this has sparked a debate. Which is the best solution, soldering or PressFit? We'll cover more on that later. Since PressFit is so versatile, you can find it almost anywhere, from gas lines, hospitals, HVAC systems, breweries, and even your own home. Let's have a quick run through the fittings so you know what to look out for. These fittings are end profile, but there are a variety available in today's market. This is mainly because manufacturers patent their own designs. What makes press fittings distinct are their O-rings, which you can see inside the fittings. When the O-ring chamber is compressed with the press tool, it creates a seal around the pipe. Let's have a closer look at the jaws. Pressing a fitting is really easy. All you need to do is pull out the pin, slide the jaw into the neck and push the pin in to fasten. Your tool is now ready to press. One thing you do want to make sure of is that you've got the right size jaw. If not, you run the risk of crushing the fitting and damaging the jaws and the tool itself. And finally, let's talk about press tools. There are lots of different brands, sizes, and each come with their own different functionalities. Some even have Bluetooth, which can help for quality control and auditing. Press tools are not a one size fits all, so you need to make sure that you take the time in picking the correct tool. Each tool will need to be calibrated, or you run the risk of the hydraulics not producing enough force to actually seal the fitting. Now you've had a brief introduction into PressFit, let us know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see us cover. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. You recording? Yeah. Right. Just as the manufacturers patent their own designs. We'll have a little look into that later. Let's have a little look. Oh my God, I've done it again. This has sparked debate, along with some useful tips and trips along the way. Thanks.